The 2024 Sherco 250 SEF Factory. Versatility and performance. The new feature for 2024 model. New 2024 graphics kit. New LED headlight. New front fender. New engine. 248cc, 4-stroke DOHC, 4-valve Sherco technology. Carburator. Synerject electronic injection. Gear position sensor. New magnesium clutch cover. New titanium intake valves. Exhaust. Akrapovič exhaust system with titanium header pipe. New frame paint. Semi-perimeter high-strength chrome-molybdenum steel. Suspension. KYB 48mm front suspension with closed cartridges. KYB rear shock absorber. 6mm AXP skid plate. Seat. 950mm width. Blue diamond cell DALLA VALLE seat. Brakes. Galfer front brake disc. Hydraulic Brembo brake system. New Model Swingarm. New wheels and tires. Front wheel. Pixel 21-inch black anodized rim and Michelin Enduro Medium tire. Rear wheel. Pixel 18-inch black anodized rim and Michelin Enduro Medium tire.